This is a channel dedicated to displaying the issues that I have as a Gentoo user. This is issue number 1. I set up a new laptop that I just bought, and I was having problems recording. I was having problems with the mic. Output was completely fine. I can watch YouTube, I can watch, Crunchyroll or whatever I'm watching, and sound is not an issue. But when taking in sound input, using commands like record my desktop, I'm having issues. So the error states that couldn't open up PCM device hardware 00. So it looks like there is a default card error. So if we open up a new tab and we run ALSA Mixer, you can get a better look at what I'm talking about. I'm going to hit function F6 to select the sound card. So the default sound card is not the correct card. So let's hit function F6 again and let's select card 1. So now you can see we have the PCM device, as well as speakers, the headphones, the master, etc. So let's exit out of that tab. So what you have to do is either manually pass the device hardware 1, which is card 1, what we were just looking at last over there in the ALSA Mixer command, or you can do something like, I don't know why I closed that tab out, but or you can do something like so the solution that I'm trying to implement to make the solution permanent would be, let's cat out, let's cat out the file, cat etc mod probe d alsa conf. So I'm trying to pass this argument to the module on boot, but it's just not taking. So you can run ls mod, let's see, grep for the module. You can see that it's in use. I can't remove it right now because that'll mess up the recording. But what I do there are a few things I can do. I mean, a hack would be to maybe create a file in, let's say, etc local d. And I can create something like, I don't know, sound, .start, and then just enter in a few commands. Let's see. These files here, they run when the computer boots. So you can do something like this to set the default index to 1, because when it boots up, it's most likely setting it to 0, which makes sense. It's the first card on the stack. So we can do sudo mod probe remove the module, and then reinsert it with index 1. You got to make sure the start file is executable, which it's not. Chmod will do all plus x. Oops. Now it's executable. Now when it boots up, it'll take care of that issue. I was hoping for a more straightforward, a more conventional solution, which is what I tried to do here, but that's not working. I guess this is just as good a solution as any, but yeah. So that's the issue. It's pretty straightforward figuring it out. I mean, I guess it could be complicated for some, but that's issue number 1.